Welcome to UCounsel. This video shows you screenshots of an application process done online for Canada Emergency Response Benefit. This was shared to us by a subscriber, so I thought I'll post a video so you can see beforehand what you will experience through the process of online application. This lecture is not legal advice, so if you have any specific questions, you should contact a lawyer or a paralegal or Canada Revenue Agency for this particular application. So once you log into your CRA account, and if you should have created the account by now, once you log in, your name will show up here, and this will be the page that you will see which says COVID-19 Canada Emergency Response Benefits. The information here states that the government will have access to your tax information for the purposes of CERB, and you click apply, and it takes you to the next page which talks about direct deposit. If you would like the payment to be deposited directly in your account, make sure that you have set up the direct deposit information prior to starting this application. If not, then this application will send you again to input that information and then bring you back. But if you put that information before you come and apply for CERB, then that will be great. And so based upon what you're going to do, you choose one of the options: update my direct deposit information for CRA payments only. If you are also a recipient of CPP, then second and third option may apply to you. In any event, choose the correct option, click next, and then it will take you to the eligibility page. This is the same eligibility criteria that I had explained to you in my previous lecture, so I'm not going to get into much detail here. But as long as you understand that for the first period, which is from March 15th to April 11th, it ends on April 11th. I mentioned April 12th, but it's April 11th is the last day. For the first 14 consecutive days, you ought not to have earned any income through employment, income, self-employment, provincial or federal benefits relating to maternity or paternity leave or parental leave. So if you have not that, for subsequent periods, please make sure that from April 12th onward, you need to have zero income. If you earn $100 or $200 or whatever, that makes you ineligible. So the income has to be zero. You have not quit your job voluntarily. You have not resigned. We have covered it extensively. And this is important. You have not applied for, nor are you receiving CERB or EI benefits from Service Canada for the same eligibility period. So if you have applied for EI or if you have applied for CERB through Service Canada, you should not apply here. You will not be eligible. And that you have earned minimum $5,000. Eligibility period is fixed. Over here, you choose the eligibility period. It's March 15th, 2020 to April 11th, 2020 for the first one, and subsequent periods also show up here. You can only apply for one period. You cannot apply, even if you expect that you are terminated and you will not find a job for the next 4 months, you cannot choose another period until you are close to that period. So March 15th, 2020 to April 11th, 2020 is selected. Now this is the certification part. You are confirming all of this, that you are eligible, and you say, yes, I certify the following. You check here, and then you click next. And then it will bring you to this direct deposit information page. If you want the money to be paid by direct deposit, the information will show up here. Please review it, make sure if it's correct. If that information is not correct, then you have to click here. It will take you out of this particular application and take you to the place where you can update your direct deposit, and then you'll have to restart your application and come back here. And then once you get to this page, you say I confirm the information is correct, and then click submit. And then once it is submitted, you will receive this confirmation page. If you have not received this confirmation page, then the application is not successfully submitted. It clearly states that it is submitted for this period. You will receive money within 3 business days. You don't need to do anything else. No need to confirm further. No need to contact CRA. You will get it. And then they also say that these are taxable benefits, and you will get the information slip for the tax year. So for a different period, once it's April 11th and you have not found another job or you're not going to earn any income, then you can apply from April 12th onwards for the next 4-week period, so on and so forth, until all 16 weeks of income has been exhausted. So hopefully this gives you some sense of how you will see the process unfold online. It is pretty straightforward, and I'm sure that once you're able to log in, I know I've heard that a lot of people had issues logging in because of so many users trying to access it, but once you're logged in, the process is straightforward. So hopefully this is helpful. Thank you for watching.